AI is silently breaking behind the scenes, and it's costing you time, money, and trust. In this viral video, we'll reveal the exact 2-minute process top performing brands use to detect and fix AI breakdowns before they escalate. If your business depends on automation, you can't afford to skip this. Envelope with arrow emoji. Need help building an AI safety net? Message me today. What if I told you your AI might be sabotaging your business? Right now? No alarm. No crashes. Just quiet failure, eating away your results, day by day. And here's the kicker. You can catch it in under 2 minutes. That's not right. That's strategy. Let's break it down. You've invested thousands, or maybe millions, into your AI system. From automated marketing flows to predictive analytics and AI chatbots. But without constant, real-time validation, those systems can, and will, break. No clear error message. No warning light. Just rising spend, poor conversions, and confused customers. We call this silent AI collapse. Why does AI collapse in the first place? Because unlike humans, AI doesn't know when it's making mistakes. And here are the most common reasons. White checkmark emoji, data pipelines break. White checkmark emoji, goals change, but models don't. White checkmark emoji, your AI drifts from its training logic. White checkmark emoji, no one is watching. It's like flying a plane on autopilot, with no pilot left in the cockpit. Would you risk that? So here's the 2-minute AI check that can literally save your campaign, your customer experience, and your budget. You only need to answer 4 key questions. Yes or no? If the answer to any of them is I don't know, you need to stop and investigate. Let's walk through each one. Step 1. Is your AI still optimizing for the right objective? Your marketing strategy may have shifted. Did your AI never get the update? Sometimes, systems continue optimizing for outdated metrics like center. When your new focus is ROAS or customer lifetime value. That's misalignment, and it's deadly. Step 2. Check your data inputs. Is your AI still connected to the right data source? Are there null values, missing fields, or new formats? One e-commerce brand fed their AI broken inventory data. It started recommending out-of-stock items. Sales tanked. That's a 15-second fix, if you catch it in time. Step 3. Test the output. Give your AI a prompt. Look at its prediction, recommendation, or response. Does it make sense? Is it consistent with your business rules? If the answer is that's weird or that's not what we intended, congratulations. You just caught it early. Step 4. Peek into the log. Are there any new errors, spikes in API calls, or warnings from your monitoring tools? Even one red flag is worth digging into. Trust me, a 2-minute long check is way cheaper than a 2-week root cause analysis. Now, yes, you can automate some of this. Use monitoring dashboards, health check APIs, even Slack alerts. But don't fully automate your trust. A human review is your last line of defense. It's not about babysitting AI, it's about owning it. Here's a real-world story. A $7 million fashion retailer used AI to customize homepage banners. But a tagging error fed the wrong customer segments. In 3 days, conversions dropped by 40%. They were about to fire the agency, until someone ran a 2-minute review. Caught it. Fixed it. Saved the entire Q4. Here's the best part, you don't need to do this once a year. You do it daily, or weekly at minimum. Round push pin emoji, before launching a new model, round push pin emoji, after changing your KPIs, round push pin emoji, during peak traffic campaigns, round push pin emoji, post-integration with a new tool, round push pin emoji, anytime something feels off, make this check. White check mark emoji, assign an owner on your team. White check mark emoji, use a shared checklist or AI scorecard. White check mark emoji, add it to your stand-ups or Monday meetings. White check mark emoji, set a 2-minute timer, turn it into a ritual, and you'll never fear AI collapse again. If this sounds overwhelming, or you're not sure where to start, reach out. I've helped companies just like yours build automated, scalable AI safety nets that catch collapse before it happens. Envelope with arrow emoji, message me. Let's make your AI smarter, safer, and more profitable. AI is a gift, but only when it's working right. Skipping this 2-minute check is like ignoring a leak in a $10 million job. of money. Repeat emoji, share it with your ops or marketing team. Bell emoji, hit that follow button for more no fluff AI plus automation advice. And remember, 2 minutes a day keeps the AI collapse away.